What's up everybody, Jason Page here. Welcome back to another light painting video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to create an orb using this Duke plexiglass that we created today in the collab. The collab is this rad creative space here at Duke University where you can create all kinds of cool stuff. And we used the laser engraver to cut this piece of plexi and then etch in Duke. Boom, like that. Because it's so bright here on Chapel Drive, if you look straight down there, you can see the chapel. Normally, I would not be able to create an orb in these conditions. However, because I'm going to be capturing this light painting on my cell phone using the slow shutter cam app, it's going to allow me to light paint in these very bright street lit conditions. My iPhone is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm using the slow shutter cam app. The settings that I'm using within the app are the light trails capture mode. I have the exposure time set to bulb. I have the light sensitivity all the way up to full, and the ISO is down as low as it will go to 32. So to create the orb using this piece of plexiglass, all I am doing is manually turning the light on and off like so, just like this, as I do a full 360 degree rotation. On this side, when I go up here on this side of the orb, I'm going to try to keep it really still so that the Duke is present in the orb. My shoulder is always going to be the center part of my orb, so I'm going to keep my shoulder over one particular spot on the ground to keep my orb nice and symmetrical. The only other thing that I'm doing is making sure that my arm stays straight the entire time. What I don't want to do is hold my arm straight and then kind of bring it in or anything like that. I want to keep it straight the whole time, equidistant from my body, so that I have a nice symmetrical orb. So here we go. That's how easy it is to create an orb with a piece of plexiglass. You can do this with any piece of plexiglass. You can get one from Light Painting Brushes, which we offer all kinds of different cool ones. This one again is a special custom one that we did here at Duke University. Capturing it on my cell phone in this ridiculously bright environment, which I would not be able to otherwise. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section. I'll answer anything that I can. If you have not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up down below. Until the next one, get out there and get creative.